Hello there, friends. Thanks so much for stopping by Jami Jo Sells Wax here on YouTube. This is a channel completely dedicated to Scentsy fragrance. I am coming to you today with an unboxing of a brand new product, not even released yet. We are going to open this up and check out what is inside of there. But as I am working on opening the box, like I said, this channel is all about Scentsy fragrance. So I have had a partnership with Scentsy for 15 years now. Last week was my Scentiversary, which is what we call it when it's like the anniversary of your business. 15 years I have been working with this company. Absolutely loving the products, loving everything that they come out with. I mean, almost everything. There might have been a couple products that are not my favorites, but here's the thing. I'll tell you if they're not my favorite. I won't do a recommendation video, I promise you that. But I pride myself on being super, super honest with my customers. So you will always know whether I like a product or not. And I've seen sneak peeks of what's inside of this box. And let me tell you, it's so stinking cute. I'm so excited. So this is the unboxing of the Warmer of the Month for November. I have shared pictures of it with you. I have talked about this warmer because if you join in the month of October, you're going to get this warmer for free, as well as the holiday 5-pack of bars. But this is the first time I'm actually seeing this warmer in person, and I wanted to share it with you guys too. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. But before we open that box, we're going to jump right in. This is a consultant perk, this box right here. This consultant perk is called the Warmer of the Month and Scent of the Month subscription. If you are a consultant, you get your hands on these goodies, or have the opportunity to get your hands on these goodies in advance. So I got that Warmer of the Month. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars of the wax as well. Now I can do whatever I want with this early pre-order stuff. So I typically make samples for my existing customers of the bars of wax. I also get scratch and sniff stickers. Come on, who didn't love scratch and sniff stickers when they were a little kid in elementary school? We're bringing them back, friends. We are bringing the scratch and sniff sticker back. So you get those in the Warmer of the Month kit. You also get a pack of 50 flyers for the Warmer and Scent of the Month. Now, the cool thing is, as a consultant, this is something that we pay for, but it is at a huge discount. And you can choose if you want to do just the Scent of the Month or the Warmer of the Month and the Scent of the Month together. And the price point is going to change every month depending on the warmer. So which do we want to do first, guys? The warmer or the fragrance? I think I have the fragrance in my hand, so we're gonna smell it right now. This fragrance is called Minttobemerry. Now here's the deal, guys. I've actually done a sniff test of this fragrance because it came in that right there, which was my whiff box for this month. Whiff box is our surprise box. It changes every single month, and it was a super good one for the month of October. It's not too late to grab it. Here's the fun little perk with the one for October. This little guy is only available in the whiff box. You can get a big one of them individually, but this little clip guy, only available in the whiff box. So, like I said, it's not too late. You have a couple more days of October to secure one of those whiff boxes. Only $35. Minttobemerry. I keep getting distracted today. Minttobemerry. So I smelled it earlier, but I didn't know what was in it. I described it as like one of those mints that you get at a wedding that's like kind of buttery and creamy, but it's minty. And I'm standing by that description, but I'm going to see what Scentsy tells us about it. They say merriment fills the air when crushed candy cane and sparkling sugar brighten a creamy butter cookie. So I was kind of on this same idea. It definitely could be one of those buttermint candies, but they're saying maybe like a candy cane cookie. And now that I've read that, I can smell the different components. I can smell the sugar cookie. I can smell the candy cane. What did I say the other note was? It's sparkling sugar. I mean, that goes with cookie. So yeah, candy cane cookie, or I'm going to stand by wedding mint. It's a wedding mint right there. Okay, now is the part that I'm super excited about. So this warmer is called Merry Little Christmas. You can see the picture there. Let me just say, I feel like in Oklahoma at least, every little grandma used to have one of those ceramic trees in their living room. You know, they probably did a pottery class or something like that to make the tree or to paint the tree, and then they put all the little twinkle lights in it. So that is the feel of this warmer. Now let me tell you this. I'm going to try and hold it together. I have never seen packaging like this. That's really cool. I feel like it was really easy to pull out of the box. Sometimes it's a fight, but I feel like that was really easy. Oh, and look at this, guys. This is probably the easiest warmer ever to open. All I had to do, and it says top right there. All I had to do was that. And this warmer is super easy to get out of the box. I hope this is going to be a trend that they stick to, because some of their warmers can be quite the booger to get out. All right, this is an element warmer, meaning that a light bulb is not needed to warm the wax. A lot of our warmers need a light bulb, but this one does not. This is our warmer plate. It's got the little warning on there that it's warm. But if you've never seen an element warmer, they still have the dish, of course. We've got to have the dish to put our wax in. So this one's just a small green ceramic dish, and you are just going to put it right on top of that warmer plate. Now, it does still have the cord. It does still plug in because it's going to need a heat source. That's how we're melting our wax. So let me release this cord a little bit, get it plugged in, and show you guys how it's going to work. Like I said, those little Christmas tree warmers that Granny used to make, they had all those twinkle lights in them, right? We're seeing those right here. So let me turn it on. Kind of anticlimactic with my bright camera light here, but I can just imagine what this is going to look like in a room with dim lights. Now here is the cool thing. Oh, I was going to show you the indicator light that is present on most of our element warmers. Most of them have a little indicator light on the back to let you know that it's on, but I guess the twinkle lights are your indicator light that it's plugged in and turned on. I guess that makes complete sense. So here is the warmer. So if you're just looking at it from the front, it looks like you have one of those nostalgic Christmas trees. Guys, I am a antique shopper and a thrift shopper. That's my hobby. When I'm not doing Scentsy, when I'm not taking care of my household, I am out at antique malls and thrift stores. And let me tell you that these are all the rage right now. Super high prices on the legit vintage ones, but people are remaking these all the time now. So if you have it sitting like this, it looks like you just got your hands on one of those adorable retro-esque Christmas trees. But as you turn it to the side, you can see that dish. You can see where you put in the wax. Now, the easiest way to change our wax is with our cotton cleanup. If you've never seen those, they are a fun little cotton piece. And I've showed you before, but I'll show you again because it's going to work for this warmer too. Just grab the middle of it, give it a little tug. That's going to be easier to soak up your wax out of this warmer because as you can see, the full cotton cleanup does not reach down in there. Another tip for you guys. Scentsy has started doing this on all of our dishes. Do you see that number 4 in the middle of the dish? That is their recommended number of cubes to put in this warmer. You can use as little or as much as you want. Of course, the size of the dish is going to matter, but Scentsy recommends that you use 4 cubes of wax in this warmer for the best scent experience. Let's talk price. Now, this is going to be available as a customer to you on November 1st, and the price is 10% off. It's normally $80. It's going to be $72 for the month of November. Now, everyone is loving this warmer. I'm not sure how many Scentsy has in stock, but if you love it and you want it, I would not delay on getting it. I would definitely set an alarm for November 1st, or let me know if you're wanting to place an order for that warmer or the scent. Now, I kind of teased to it earlier. Tomorrow, I'm going to do another video to talk about all the details. If you love this warmer and you've been tossing around the idea of hopping on board with Scentsy, doing a partnership with Scentsy, it's a great time to do it. You only have today and tomorrow to take care of that because it is our October join special. You get all of this stuff in our normal join kit, and you are going to get this warmer and a 5-pack of holiday bars, all for just $99. So even if you just buy a lot of Scentsy yourself and want to get the rebate, or if you're thinking about doing a hobby and you love this warmer, it's a great way to snag the warmer and that entire kit. Guys, I told you that that warmer was $72, and you're going to get the 5-pack of holiday bars and the entire starter kit for $99. So really, what is that? Is it 17? Math. Let's math today. Is that $27 difference? 72 to 99. Yes. $27 difference from the warmer to get the whole kit and caboodle. How about that? So if you guys have questions about this, don't hesitate to reach out. You can reach me at 918-888-9690. Text is best. You can put comments in this video, or if you're ready to jump on board with the entire kit and caboodle, go to JamiJoSellsWax.com. Up at the top right, you're going to see Getting Started. If you want this warmer, set an alarm for November 1st. Actually, it goes live at midnight Pacific, so that's 2 a.m. Standard Time, my time. You can set an alarm to jump on at that time to make sure that you don't miss out and it doesn't sell out from under you. All right, guys, my name is Jami Jo. I hope that you guys have a sensational day and you have fun getting all that Christmas decor.